Let's talk about a true keto powerhouse for a sec. Eggs. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, zero carbs, and loaded with nutrients like choline, which is amazing for brain health and metabolism. And here's a tip. Cook your eggs in butter or avocado oil. It not only adds flavor, but also helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Want to keep it interesting? Try deviled eggs with a pinch of smoked paprika, or make mini egg muffins with spinach, mushrooms, and cheese. Perfect for grab-and-go mornings. Feeling fancy? Poach an egg and drop it over sautéed greens. Feeling lazy? Just crack 2 eggs in a bowl, microwave for 60 seconds, stir, microwave 30 more. Instant scrambled eggs. The best part? Eggs are budget-friendly, easy to prep in batches, and keep you full way longer than sugary snacks. Total win. And if you want a little extra support for fat burning and focus, I've been loving these Keto ACV Gummies. Apple cider vinegar, MCT oil, and B12. All in one little bite, no mess, no vinegar taste. Just clean, feel-good energy. I'll leave the link in the comments. It's a great add-on if you're building solid habits. Now go enjoy those eggs.